Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying Code HS and learning about HTML. So this section is the structure of an HTML page. Remember, HTML is Hypertext Markup Language, and it's tags. It's made up of tags. So this would be an example web page. You have your browser bar, your website name, and the actual web page which says hello. So my first web page shows in the browser. You learned about the browser in section 1.3, I believe. And then hello is in the body of your web page. So these are a basic HTML page. The doc type is identifying it as a HTML5. It's actually not an HTML tag. The HTML identifies it and says everything in between here is our HTML page. So you have an opening tag, less than sign, HTML greater than sign, and then on the bottom, it's a close tag, less than sign, / HTML. So everything's going to go in between your opening tag and your closing tag. The head tag contains important information about the document, metadata, data about the data. We can include a few special tags here. So the head is at the top part of the web page that never gets seen in the actual web page. It gets seen in the browser bar. So that title you put in between this opening tag and closing tag will be the head that appears in your browser bar. The title is what words you put in as that's going to display on the top tab from your browser. So this title is my first page. The title tag defines the title of the web page. This is displayed in the top of the web browser. So the body is everything that you're actually going to see in your web page. Your text, your images. This is where most of your HTML tags will go. Body open and body close. So tags can go inside other tags. Like you saw, the title was inside the head tag. We use indenting to show the structure of the tags. The structure of an HTML document is a tree, and they'll show you that. So the head tag and the body tag are inside the HTML tag. Open HTML, close HTML, and you have them everything in between. The title tag is inside the head tag, right here inside the head open and head close. Everything inside the HTML tag is indented. Okay, it makes it much easier if you have a lot of HTML to keep everything organized. Everything inside the head tag is indented further. So this tree structure, HTML, you have your head separate from your body. Remember, your head's only what shows in the browser bar, and the body's everything that shows in the web page. So your H1 headings, which is H1 is the largest size heading that you can have, goes in your body. And then open tag, close tag, whatever you wanted really large would go inside of those brackets. So my first web page, then inside the HTML tag, you have my first web page and hello. And then they're going to break it down further. Okay, so the head contains my first web page, head open tag, head close, then the body says hello. Okay, so the title open, title close is right here in the browser bar. Hello is in the body. This identifies it as what kind of HTML it's going to be, 5. So let me show you if I were to do it and we were in class and you guys would be doing this. All right, so what makes an HTML page is everything that you just saw. And for the title, I put text here that shows in your browser bar, not in your web page. And H1 is the largest size heading size. So I put text here that you want to have the biggest font size. Regular size text goes after the H1, and a paragraph tag, P, this is a paragraph tag, and we'll leave a row between paragraphs. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it. And anyone can do this at home. So then I'm going to go to Notepad. Everybody has a Notepad on their computer. It's just a basic text editor. And I'm going to paste what I just put. And watch how easy this is to make a web page. I have the basic skeleton of a web page. I'm going to go to File, Save, and I'm going to call it practice.html. HTML because it identifies it as a web page, hypertext markup language. So if I didn't put HTML, you wouldn't be able to open up in a browser bar. I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to replace that. Now I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to go to Chrome. I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to go to Control Open on my keyboard, and I'm going to go find that practice, and it should be, let's see, where is it? Documents. I thought I had in documents. Let me just find this. Okay, practice. It's not here. I'll be really mad. Okay, here it is. Practice. See, it says HTML. I'm going to open it. And here, this was what the text I put in. The tags don't show, but this was the H1 heading. Put text here that you want to have the biggest font size. Regular size text goes here. And then after the P tag, I put this is a paragraph tag, and we'll leave a row between paragraphs. So everything inside of the body is what actually shows on the web page. You could put your pictures there. You could put tables there. You could add music there. You put your background color, and that's how you make it look pretty. So anyway, that's what we would be doing in class, but it's very, I thought it was a little too tough. So I think this CodeHS works better for you. So CodeHS, you're going to go to, your, I'm just going to choose on students. Samir has gone really far. Okay, so you finished the pretest, you finished getting started, and you're on HTML structure website. You're going to finish 2.2, structure of an HTML page, and 2.3, formatting text. Okay, you're going to get into H1 tag sizes and the P tags that we talked about. And they'll show you a few other ones that I don't want to overload you with information. So you have your videos, you have your little quiz they'll give you, and then you have words and little assignments in these. You'll learn the title tag and a Hello World page. So if you have any questions, contact me on Google Classroom or my email, which is in your Google Classroom, haysm@eht.k12.nj.us. And I am available during class times live. Their Google Meet links are in your Google Classroom. All right, so any questions, let me know. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week.